Hello everyone, this is my new setup. I have a refrigerator connected to an EcoFlow River 2 Max power station. It's connected via the AC port of the power station, and the power station is connected to a Shelly smart plug, and the Shelly smart plug is controlled via an energy management system. In this case it's the solar manager, but the brand doesn't matter. So if our photovoltaic installation produces enough power, the Shelly plug is activated and provides power to recharge the power station. But during the night the refrigerator will be powered by the power station. Let me know what you think about this setup. Thanks for watching and bye.